If you are trekking lovers, if you love trekking, if you love jungles, if you love exploring new things, if you love rustic things, and if you love that kind of places where those places are actually surrounded by jungles or trees or natural things, surrounded by natural things, surrounded by nature actually, then you must visit this place. This place is known as Kal Bhairav Dada's temple, and you can see the beautiful hills of Vindhyachal here and Satpura also. You can see Sardar Patel here. See. Can you see this Statue of Unity here? Can you see this? So it's a very beautiful place. So visit this place. Bye.